Welcome to LATIF animations. Today I will show you how to solve the problem that bone heat weight. When you apply the weight, automatically assign the weight. So first we will go to edit mode, select all the mesh, and then you need to go to the mesh tab and then go to clean and then merge by distance. You can see the vertices will be removed. Now it is solve the problem. You can go to merge by distance again, and then left side this panel is shows that 0.001. First you want to be select 0.00301. if solved then okay, if not solved then 0.001 and apply. It will be solved definitely. Then you can now select the mesh and then select the armature and then control P, select automatic weight. So now you can see this is completely solved the problem about bone heat weighting. Now you can check that the armature is properly rigged with the mesh. You can see this, the left arm is moving very well. Also you can check that the legs, it's definitely properly rigged. So hope you like my videos. Please subscribe with LATIF animations to get more technical solutions.